Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G15, and today I will show you how we can boot this device into Bootloader. So to get started, hold the power button and volume up at the same time and select power off from the boot options. When the device turns off, you will then hold power button and the volume down at the same time. So I'm gonna do that right now. And once you see this mode, you can let go of the both of the buttons, and that's our boot mode. Now it is also labeled as fast boot mode. It can operate, I believe, as both. But if I were to do restart bootloader and confirm it with the power button, it should bring me back to the same mode. And you can see it does. So even though it's labeled as fast boot mode, it's also a bootloader. Anyway, like you've seen me do before, you can navigate through the options using your volume buttons, and power button is to confirm whatever is selected. So with that in mind, let's go over the options. We have start, which takes us back to Android, restart bootloader, which does basically nothing, brings us back here, recovery mode takes us to recovery mode, power off, barcodes, and we're back to start. Anyway, I'm going to confirm this and then normal boot. And I'm now going to let the device boot back up into Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.